You call yourself soldier? You tarnish the soldier name.
And deal! Wait!
Those wings. I want them too.
Cloud. Okay, let's go. Wait right here. Let me go and take a look around. Good. Now it's safe. You stay here. I'll go take a look inside.
Activating combat mode.
Ah, God! Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode.
Later! Oh
Conflict
yeah!
resolved. Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah! Hey, this'll be useful. Yeah, I can put this on him.
Activating combat mode.
Out of the way!
Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah! Okay, looks like it's all clear. I'll be right back. Don't worry.
Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah! Right. That should do it. What's going on? The whole town was in flames. After them! It's the Professor's samples! You really think you can catch me? Think again. Cloud! Oh no. No way! I'm never going back!
Activating combat
The
mode.
end! Later! Hot! The end! Hot!
Conflict
Oh
resolved.
yeah!
Activating combat mode.
Take that! Got him! Later! Hot!
Conflict
Oh
resolved.
yeah!
Activating combat mode.
Hot! Got him! Hot! 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 The end! Got him!
Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Uh-oh. Not feeling good. This is bad. I'd better fall back. It's daytime, and we're still a little weak. Should we rest till dark? Cloud. Is this Mako poisoning? Hey, Aunt Jill. Can I not save anyone? Right. First, let's change. Those Mako-soaked clothes will definitely not help you get back on your feet. I found something good back there. This may smell bad, but desperate times. Looks pretty good on you. They're tiny, but you have lots, right?
That's right. Want to hear?
How many you got?
23?
Write them down, so I don't forget.
I have 23 tiny wishes. But you probably won't remember them all. So, I put them all together into one. I'd like to spend more time with you.
Hey, Cloud. I have to go to Midgar. You want to come with me? This won't be easy.
Activating combat mode.
Got him!
Conflict
Oh
resolved.
yeah!
Activating combat mode.
Bring it on!
Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Okay, we're leaving town. Come on now. Damn it. It never ends. I'll go take a look. It's not really soldier-esque, but... oh well. Can I use it, though? Ah, Shinra quality. Auto assist system, huh? Nice.
Activating combat mode.
Later!
Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode.
Take that!
Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode.
See it!
Conflict
Got 'em.
resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode.
I got Vader!
Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode.
Hey! Got him!
Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode.
I got! Take that! See it!
Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode.
Vader! See it! Ah! Ah!
Conflict
Vader!
resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode.
Got him!
Conflict resolved.
Later! Oh yeah!
Where do I go from here? Can't do much when I've got Cloud to worry about. And Jill, what should I do? Hey, Cisne. Been a while.
Zack. The fugitive sample. Is it you?
It would appear so.
What did they do to you in that place?
Well, this and that. So, Cisne, you're here to take us back, right? Please, just walk away. I thought we could outrun the army. But the Turks are a different story.
Zack. I'm sorry. This is my job. If you want to escape, you have to.
Step back. Next time, I'll really have to. The Turks are here too. It's too dangerous to move now. We'll rest here until morning. Then we'll leave at dawn. We'll be all right. Cisne.
Wait. He's the other sample they collected at Nibelheim.
Why did you come here? I told you to go away!
He doesn't look well, Zack. Is he alright?
Mako poisoning. Severe case.
The experiments, isn't it?
Yeah. Hey!
Sung? I've lost the target. That's how it is. So get away safely.
Cisne. Thank you.
Here's a present. If you think you can trust me, then use it.
Shinra makes good stuff.
Stop pulling!
When the war of the beasts brings about the world's end, the goddess descends from the sky. Wings of light and dark spread afar. She guides us to bliss, her gift everlasting.
That's my hair!
You were a test subject in Hojo's new experiment. A modified version of Genova's power runs through you.
What? Seriously? No way. He just ate my hair.
Your cells will be my gift of the goddess. The degradation will cease.
You are twisted.
The monster has been harvested and can be discarded.
You're the monster.
Legend shall speak of sacrifice at world's end. The wind sails over the water's surface, quietly but surely.
Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
Angeal. What do I do? Tell me. Huh? Whoa, whoa! Cloud! This is my hometown! This is Gungaga! No, I can't go to my house. They're probably waiting for us there. Wait here, okay? I'm a little worried about my parents. I wonder how Mom's doing. It's risky, but should I go back?
There's a chest here, but it's blocked by rubble. I think that huge sword of yours can maybe clear all that rubble away.
Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah!
Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
The end!
Behind you. So predictable. Couldn't you guess your hometown would be the first place we'd look? Here to see your parents?
Yeah, so? What's wrong with that?
I see.
Yeah, well, I guess you're right. It was pretty careless. We'll be going.
Be careful. Security is very tight right now. Apparently, another target is in the area.
Who?
Angeal.
I see.
I see. He died by your hand. You're not surprised.
I think he may have helped us. Escape Shinra Manor.
Interesting. The sighting reports were true.
But why would he come to a place like Gungaga?
He came here to see you. What other reason could there be?
Run away if you can, Angeal. The Turks are watching.
I'll give you 10 minutes. After that, I return to the Turks.
Return?
Right now, I'm not in the mood. I can't bring bad news to your parents.
My mom. How is she?
She's worried. She thinks after all this, you'll never be able to find someone to marry.
What's up with that?
They're nice people, and they're doing fine.
Good. That's all I need to know.
Yeah.
How's your folks?
I was raised inside Shinra.
Hey, Cisne. Would you mind keeping my folks company for a while?
All right. No problem.
They'll probably ask you to join the family.
Already happened.
What? What did you say? Cisne!
Not my real name.
What?
You have 5 minutes left.
Angeal? Angeal, it is you! Hey, wait!
Is it really Angeal? Only one way to know.
Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah! Hey, wait!
Why now?
Cells.
Sorry, fresh out!
Activating combat mode.
The end!
Conflict resolved.
His cells are completely useless. You are a former member of Soldier. Your cellular structure has already mutated.
Hollander, you did it to yourself?
Yes. After nearly being killed by Genesis, it was really all I could do to survive. I merely borrowed some cells from Genesis.
You know you're degrading.
Indeed. But there is still some hope.
The gift of the goddess. A pure S-cell sample will stop the degradation process.
Pure?
There are 2 of you on the run.
No.
One is a former soldier operative, the other an infantryman.
That infantryman carries within his body the last pure S-cells in the world.
Hey!
Do you know the verse in Act 4 that leads into the final act?
Of course not.
Legends shall speak of sacrifice at world's end. The wind sails over the water's surface, quietly, but surely.
Enough about sacrifices and endings. I don't want to hear it.
You don't understand the beauty of these words. How tragic. I'm not surprised. Even I didn't understand all of it. The greatest mystery behind the gift of the goddess? The water's surface. And the answer I have arrived at is the life stream.
What?
There are various theories regarding the missing final act. However, only my theory is correct, and I will prove it to you.
No, that won't be necessary. Ah! Oh!
You will understand.
Cloud's in danger. Back to the reactor. Gotta move quick!
Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
Oh yeah! Cloud! Watch out! You! It's over!
Activating combat mode. Conflict resolved.
It's been a long time, Zack.
So, what happened? That thing wasn't so tough.
I can't fight like a first. I'm just an Angeal copy.
Copy?
It's Lazard.
So, you're the one who helped Hollander out of Junon? Why would you do such a thing?
To exact my revenge. I needed Hollander.
You really chose the wrong friends, didn't you?
I agree. I never dreamed I'd be turned into an Angeal copy.
Well, just be happy you're linked to Project G.
It's a strange feeling.
Hmm?
The lust for vengeance that had so consumed my life is all but gone now. In its place is a desire to help you. A desire to save Genesis. No. It's bigger than that. I want to save the world.
Nothing strange about that. Angeal lives inside you.
Genesis is trying to obtain the gift of the goddess. But what is it exactly? No. Whatever it is, he must be stopped.
I just don't understand what he's talking about at all. What should I do?
Angeal may show us the way. Perhaps.
Maybe. I hope so, Director.
Director. So, Zack, what is your dream?
Huh? Oh. Let's see. To become a hero.
Unattainable dreams are the best kind.
Oh, come on. Lend me a hand. You and Angeal both. If we pull this off, we'll all be heroes. At the very least, I feel like one.
So, Zack, where is Genesis? I see.